Wendy Davis gained national attention for a marathon filibuster to block sweeping abortion regulations in Texas. Now the Democratic gubernatorial candidate admits she terminated 2 pregnancies before she began her political career. In her new memoir, Forgetting to Be Afraid, Davis said she had the abortions for medical reasons in the 90s. One was an ectopic pregnancy, the embryo implanted outside the uterus. She chose to terminate a second time after learning that the fetus had a severe brain defect, and if the pregnancy went to term and survived delivery, the infant would be born deaf, blind, and in a permanent vegetative state. Davis wrote, "I could feel her little body tremble violently, as if someone were applying an electric shock to her, and I knew then what I needed to do." She was suffering. She said an indescribable blackness followed that changed her life forever. Last year, as a state senator representing Fort Worth, she filibustered all night against a bill requiring all doctors performing abortions in Texas to have admitting privileges at nearby hospitals, and all abortion clinics to operate at hospital levels.
I'm so amazed at what we were able to achieve.
Her efforts even got the president's attention. He tweeted, "Something